Hello students, this is ISI MSQE 2019 Group B solution for the economics part. So they have given, consider a country where there are only two provinces A and B. The production function is given of a single output y, and where f is the concave function and ni represents the employees from the province I. Where I equal to a, b, wages paid to the employees are given as w to the power I. Prices of the final good is also given. The employees are price takers. First one is very easy. Write down the expression for the employees profit function. So profit function is pi in A in B, these two, so P of F in A plus NB, so this total minus the costing part in A and WB in B. So this is the end of the first part. Let's go to the second part. So in this, an employer chooses NA and NB to maximize, and the utility function is given. The last two conditions of U imply that the employer prefers employees from the province A but dislikes employees from province B. Write down the first condition, first order condition for the employees maximization problem, assuming that an interior solution. Okay, so the problem is maximize NA NB U of pi NA NB comma NA NB. So the first order condition with respect to NA will be del U del pi del NA plus del U del NA del U del pi P F dash NA/NB minus WA plus del U del NA equal to 0. So with NB, del U del pi del NB, del U del NB here, PF NA plus NB is WB plus del U del NB. So this is equal to 0. So that's it. So this is the two basic conditions. Next, part C. So in equilibrium, do the employees from different provinces get the same wage? If yes, explain your answer. If not, then also clear with explanation which employees are paid more and by how much. So simplifying the above conditions, we can get del U del pi P of F dash NA plus NB and del U del pi WI minus del U del NI. So for I equal to A comma B. So since the left hand side of the two equations for I equal to AB are the same, so it must be del U del pi WA minus del U del NA equal to del U del pi WB del U del NB. So this will give us del U del pi WA minus WB. So you can put these two in one side, and del U del NA minus del U del NB. So in equilibrium, now we observe that the right hand side position. So if we take, so del U del pi, this will be positive. So it must be that WA is obviously greater than WB. So thus the workers of the province A must be paid higher wages than the province B, and the amount is WA minus WB. So del U del NA minus del U del NB divided by del U del pi. So from the equation directly we can get this answer done.